Alright guys, so today we will be replacing a crankcase heater. So on our chiller number 2, we have a bad crankcase heater on compressor number 9. So here it is, compressor number 9, and this guy right here is our bad crankcase heater. So we're gonna be replacing it today. So first thing first, this is chiller number 2 and power has been turned off. And that's what you want to do before you start working on it. So right now, we're gonna check for our voltage detector. We got no power, which we shouldn't have because we turned off the breaker on the chiller. Alright, we're gonna be taking off this cover right here. We've already verified that the power is off. Alright, so we got our new crankcase heater on here. Took the old one off. Just want to make sure you position it correctly. And then once it's on there, you can go ahead and start tightening it so it can grab on. So once it's nice and tight on there, you want to get it right on the base of the compressor. Once it's on there, you can grab your wires and start pulling them through. We will be cutting them down shorter so we just don't have this big old, so it can be a nice cleaner finish and you don't have an abundance of wire stuck inside this little box. Really, you probably would want about that much. So since we have power off, we'll just cut one wire at a time. Strip one wire at a time. this guy, for this ground one, we're gonna be putting a new end connector on there. And we just want to make sure that it's gonna fit inside this screw. So if it's perfectly, so this is what we're gonna use. We got our crimping tool. So what we're gonna do is go here. You just want to see it stick out a tiny bit on the end, just so that way you know that it's in there. You'll put this guy here. And you crimp her down. And that, tug on it, and it's in there solid, so it's not going anywhere. Get this behind there. Put that there, put that here. Put your ground wire, put it through. It's nice and tight. Put your wire back there. So for this next one, I'm gonna put one in here. Small screwdriver and just torque it down. Get it nice and tight. And just tug on it, make sure it's not loose. Make sure that the connection is nice and tight. Do the same with the other one. Put it on the other side. Small screwdriver. Nice and tight. Tug on it. It's nice and tight in there. And now you can tuck it away. Tuck it away. So now you have a nice clean finish. You have a small bundle of wire in there, but not excessive. So now that we're finished with this, we're just gonna wrap these wires. Just give it a little clean look. Cut off the excess. Give it another one down here. Cut off the excess. Take it away. And that right there is how you want it done, nice and clean. Take the wires away. Let's put the cap back on, and we're done. So now we just restored power to chiller number 2. Power's on. It's all cleaned up, all finished. So we will be testing it. As you can see right there, it's starting to get warmer. That's the base of it. And then we shoot it up here, kind of in the middle. It's colder. It's warming up. And it's working. And if I put my hand on it, oh, yep, I can feel it warming up. And that's how you replace a crankcase heater.